Hi everybody and welcome to your daily dose of J's tutorials. So this video we are doing Python variables. So if you haven't seen any of my videos before, we are doing the exercises through W3 schools, and then I try to run them through the shell just so I can get a better understanding of these exercises. So first one is create a variable named car name and assign the value Volvo to it. Simple enough. Let me open up the shell real quick. Yeah, like I mentioned in previous videos, I am not a coder, so it's really fun to experiment and try to understand. I'm also reading a book, so it's good to learn all this stuff. So car name equals Volvo. So I think I have to just do a print car name on this one. Epic. Looks like we got it right. So let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise number 2. Create a variable named x, and then we gotta assign the value of 50 to it. Simple enough. So I just gotta do x equals 50. So 50 would be an integer, and then I'd just have to do print x. Awesome. Yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of these Python exercises. So next we have display the sum 5 plus 10 using two variables x and y. So I'm assuming x is equal to 5, and then print x plus y, I think. Right, yeah, it should be x plus y. Let's try it out at the shell. So I just got to do y equals 10, x equals 5, print x plus y. It should be 15, if I got my math right. Awesome. So let us do exercise 4. X equals 5, y equals 10. So they want us to assign letter z to x plus y and then display the result. So it should be z here in the first box. Z is equal to x plus y, and then print z. Simple enough. So let me get that shell open here. So x is 5, y equals 10. Print. Sorry, z is equal to x plus y. And then we just gotta print z. Should be 15. Awesome. Nice. So we did the 4 exercises for variables. Let me explore the variables tutorials real quick just to get a little bit more of an understanding here. Maybe try a few of the examples. So it looks like this is an interesting example. X is equal to 5, y is equal to John. So you can just print x and then print y. So if I print x, that's going to give us 5, I guess, and then print y would be John. Yeah, nothing too complicated from what I can see here. But then again, there are a lot more exercises to go through. Okay, that's right. And then print y, and that should give us John. Yeah, coding is pretty fun. I actually really like it, even if it is just for fun. Okay, new file. Let me open up a new shell here just so that we can so it can be less confusing, a little bit more clean. So here's another example. So it explains here that x is equal to 4, so x is an integer, and then if x is equal to Sally, Sally would be a string. So here, let me get the shell up again here. X is equal to John. So in this example, looks like I guess you can use single quotations rather than double, or single or double. Either way, it should work. So I did the first one with double quotations, so I'm gonna go single quotes. Oh, that's good to know. It's good to know to have that option that I can use single or double quotes. It worked. Nice. Okay, let's see variable names. So I guess there's rules for these variable names. So they're case sensitive, and then they have to start with a letter or an underscore character. Oh, that's interesting. So, oh, that's cool also. It looks like Python, you can assign multiple variables in one line. So, X, Y, Z, orange, banana, cherry. So that's okay. That makes things pretty interesting. So I guess you can do. So I'm guessing X. If I print X, it'll be orange. Print Y would be banana, and print Z would be cherry. So let's try it in the shell. Nice, nice. So, oh, you can also assign multiple variables to the same value. So like X is equal to Y is equal to Z is equal to orange. So whatever I print, X, Y, or Z, that should be orange. I am starting to get the hang of this coding stuff here. Awesome. Looks like we have Python variables. Okay, print. Sorry, I mean X is equal to awesome. And then print Python is equal to Python is, and then plus X. And it looks like there's an extra space after is. If you notice that, so Python is space and then the double quotation mark and then plus and then X. So I think what that's trying to say is that you need a space in between Python is and X so that you can create the space between Python is awesome. You know, sometimes, you know, I'm not very good at paying attention to detail, but I caught that one. So let's try again. Python is Y is equal to awesome, just to try it out. And then Z is equal to X plus Y. So if I print Z, let's see if there's. I'm trying Python is without the space before the double quotation to see if it actually really needs that space, just to test it out. Okay, so I'm reassigning it. Z, nice. So you definitely you totally need that space right there. So you definitely need that space. Let's try another example. X is equal to 5, Y is equal to 10. We kind of did a similar example earlier. Print X plus Y should be 15. Okay, nice. Let's move on to the next one. So looks like you can get an error actually from if you try to combine a string and a number. So X is equal to 5 would be the number, and then John would be the string from what I'm getting here. So print X plus Y, this should give me an error. Okay, that is interesting. First time I ever saw an error like that. It's good to know. You can't combine an int or an integer. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.